You smile like nothing's broken, like you don't feel the weight. But I see through every moment, every word you hesitate. You say you're fine, you're steady, like love don't scare you now. But every time I get too close, you're already backing down. You don't have to tell me lies, your silence speaks too loud. You don't have to tell me lies, your silence speaks too loud. Punch yourself away and reason when you've got a heart you hide behind those careful lies you run every time it beats too close to something real. You've got a heart you hide, afraid to let it shine, but every time you pull away it's calling out my name. Yeah, it's calling out my name. Late night thoughts you never send, words you delete instead. You build your walls like they'll defend all the love you never said. You say you're better lonely, say you don't need the pain. But I see how you fall apart every time you say my name. You don't have to run from me, I already feel your fear. You don't have to dull your side with sorry huffs, 'cause I wish nigga knew you but be alone. You've got a heart you hide behind those careful lies you run every time it beats too close to something real. You've got a heart you hide, I feel it every time. You can't pretend you don't need love, but your heart is still alive. Yeah, it's calling out my name. If you leave before the morning, disappear into the night, just know I never asked forever, just the truth you keep inside. I don't need your perfect ending, I don't need your alibi. All I want is honesty from the heart you try to hide. You've got a heart you hide, but I see it when you break. Every step you take away pulls you closer to my name. You've got a heart you hide, you don't have to be alone if you dare to stay tonight. You might finally feel like home. Yeah, it's calling out my name. Kau panggil dokter lagi, cuma karena aku dengan kekacauan ini. Obsesi berisik, pikiranku bentrok. Apa kau sungguh pikir aku gila? Aku sedang rakit diriku sendiri, peran psikologis diarahkan padaku. 1000 dokter mencoba perbaiki, mereka tak pernah mengerti. Aku memang brengsek, aku memang beda, aku pecundang. Aku juga mania, aku kutu buku, aku cemerlang. Aku bebas, aku pecundang. Aku maniak, aku tahu, aku cerdas. Aku liar, aku jenius. Aku memang rusak dan aku terima. Aku memang rusak dengan caraku. Aku tahu cemerlang. Aku hidup who I should be.
Forgive me for my mistakes. I love too true. I never meant to hurt your heart. Ooh, I just wanted truth, not lies.
Solifah hatiku pergi. Oh yeah.
La 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 la. Na 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 la la la. Na 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 na.
Ku lepaskan
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Aku bukan lelaki yang bodoh. Oh yeah, kini aku memilih pergi. Aku tahu pacarmu ada banyak dan aku cukup di sini. Maafkan aku, semua salahku. Walalala, ini akhirnya. Bukan maksudku untuk melukaimu. Aku menyelamatkan diriku.
I'm not a foolish man anymore.
Oh yeah.
Now I walk away. I know you've got 3 lovers now. Na 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 la la. I'll stay away.
Kau panggil dokter lagi, cuma karena aku dengan kekacauan ini. Obsesi berisik, hearts aligned. If love is crossing lines, I'll cross them every time. You're my Valentine, tonight and all my life. In your arms I find my home, my Valentine. My Valentine. Midnight talking through the static, your voice pulling me back again. Every mile feels automatic when my heart knows where you've been. I've been walking through the silence, trying hard to play it cool, but every road keeps reminding all my ways lead back to you. I don't need the lights of the city, I don't need the truth to be loud. Every time the world feels empty, you're the one thing I can't live without. I just wanna be close to you when the night falls hard and slow. Even when I'm breaking into, you're the only place I know. If love hurts, let it hurt me. If it's real, let it show. I don't wanna be perfect, I just wanna be close to you. We've been dancing on the edge now, between the wrong and right. Every word we never said still echoes every night. I don't care about tomorrow if tonight you're still here. Every second that I borrow feels like something I can keep. Maybe love is just a moment, maybe it's a scar that stays. But when I'm lost inside my head, you're the calm inside the waves. I just wanna be close to you when the world forgets our names. Even if we fall right through, I still choose you every day. If love burns, let it burn me. If I fall, I won't let go. I don't need to say forever, I just wanna be close to you. If I lose myself tonight, promise you won't turn away. Hold me when I lose the fight. Stay with me, just stay. I just wanna be close to you in the quiet, in the storm, when everything I knew is gone. You still feel like home. If love's real, let it move me. If it's true, let it show. I don't need the whole world watching, I just wanna be close to you. Cinta dimulai bukan saat kita bertemu, tapi saat kita sadar kita tidak lagi ingin sendiri. Cinta dimulai dari sepi, dari ruang yang tak terisi, dari tanya yang tak terjawab di dalam diri sendiri. Before eyes looked into mine, I was a shadow chasing time. Hidup berjalan tanpa makna, just surviving every night. Lalu semesta pertemukan dua kesadaran yang terpisah, bukan kebetulan, but a silent agreement of the stars. Cinta dimulai saat aku melihatmu dan mengenali diriku. I feel love inside, like I've always known you. Cinta dimulai bukan karena dunia berkata iya, but when two souls decide to stay to try to believe. Cinta dimulai dari keberanian untuk membuka luka lama, untuk berkata aku rapuh dan tetap memilih bersama. Love begins in You're a small flame in the dark yang dijaga setiap hari walau dunia terasa berat. Love is a decision repeated every dawn. Cinta dimulai saat aku berhenti mencari yang lain and start choosing you again and again. Cinta dimulai dari dua hati yang sadar bahwa hidup terlalu singkat untuk tidak saling menguatkan. Cinta dimulai dan setiap hari harus dimulai lagi. Oh, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pagi-pagi alarm gak denger, kata tak numpuk, otak lagi panik. Ingat muka dosen, otak jeger. Tapi gue gak bakal nyerah, gak bakal bolos. Kantong kosong, mie instan setia. Motor butut, hujan gak peduli. Di jalan ketawa, ini semua drama dunia. Drama kampus, kita harus survive. Gak semua harus sempurna, gak semua harus mulus. Yang penting nyoba lagi dan tetap jalan meski jatuh. Dia telu sarjono, gue jalan terus. Deadline numpuk tapi hati ngegatuk. Tugas dan ujian drama tiap hari, tapi gue tetap gaspol. Kita bisa nih. Dia telu sarjono, jangan berhenti. Kopi panas catatan semua teman sejati. Kalau dunia bilang sulit kita ketawa aja, karena ini jalan kita sendiri. Belajar tengah malam, laptop ngehang, referensi habis. Gue masih googling, teman-teman ribut tapi gue santai. Semua drama cuma bikin kita tambah kuat. Ujian datang, kertas berserakan, tapi gue siap tempur. Gak ada drama karena tiap tetes keringat adalah tiket menuju mimpi besar. Gue gak perlu jadi sempurna, cukup usaha nyata dan jujur. Kalau jatuh bangun lagi, itu prinsip mahasiswa sejati. Dia telu sarjono, gue jalan terus. Deadline numpuk tapi hati gak gatuk. Tugas dan ujian drama tiap hari, tapi gue tetap gaspol. Kita bisa nih. Dia telu sarjono, jangan berhenti. Kopi panas catatan semua teman sejati. Kalau dunia bilang sulit kita ketawa aja, karena ini jalan kita sendiri. Hey, bangkit lagi bro. Hey, jangan mau kalah sama tugas. Hey, drama kampus cuma bikin kuat. Hey, gaspol sampai akhir semester. Dia telu sarjono, gue berdiri tegak. Deadline numpuk tapi gue gak takut. Drama, tugas, ujian semua kita hadapi, karena mahasiswa itu gak pernah berhenti. Dia telu sarjono, ini hidup gue. Putar gitar nyanyi keras lepas semua beban. Kalau dunia bilang sulit kita ketawa aja, karena ini jalan kita sendiri. Yeah. Dia telu sarjono, cita-cita banggain orang tua. I'm standing in the middle of the fire. Everything I built is burning down. All these voices screaming I'm a liar, trying hard to drag me to the ground. I've been fighting battles on my own, acting like I'm made of stone. But tonight I'm out of armor, and I don't wanna be alone. If the walls are closing in, if I'm losing who I am, I just need one reason, one place where I can stand. So cover me, bro, when the world goes cold, when I'm bleeding truth that nobody knows. Cover me real if I start to fall. Stand right by my side, don't let me go down alone. I've been smiling just to hide the pain, joking like I'm always fine. Every scar I try to entertain is another crack inside my mind. But they don't see the weight I carry, they don't hear the screams at night. But I know if you're behind me, I can face another fight. If the night feels way too long, if I'm tired of being strong, I don't need a hero, just someone who won't be gone. So cover me, bro, when the lights burn out, when my hands are shaking and my heart is doubts. Cover me, bro, if I lose control. Stand right by my side, don't let me fight this war alone. When I'm breaking, when I'm done, don't walk away, don't run. We don't need to be perfect, we just need to be real. Back to back in this chaos, that's the deal. So cover me, bro, till the end of the night. If I'm down on my knees, help me stand up and fight. Cover me, bro, I'll cover you too. When the world turns its back down, I've got you. Back to back, one thing, still standing here. sejati. Kami ada. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Ada KYA. Bangkit maju satu tekan dengan suara rakyat. RAKYAD. Hari ini kami bertahan, besok kami menang. Rakyat bersatu. Generasi sejati. We were chasing sunset after school, laughing loud like nothing else to do. Broken shoes, dreams too big to hold, but we believed in every word we told. Late nights talking about forever, swore that time would never win. We didn't know how fast it flies, we just knew how to begin. If tomorrow comes too soon and the years start changing us, promise me one simple thing: don't let go of what we were. Let's stay forever young, even when the world grows old. Keep the fire in our lungs and the stories we were told. If time tries to slow us down, we'll run faster than the truth. As long as I'm here with you, we'll stay forever young. Photographs of faded days, smiles we wore like armor plates. Every scar, every mistake led us to the love we made. We've been lost, we've been found, we've been quiet, we've been loud, but every road we've ever walked still brings me back down now. When the mirror starts to change and our hair turns into time, look at me and you will see we're still chasing strong. Let's stay forever young, with our hearts still open wide, dancing like the night's not done under broken city lights. Under pressure feels unsure, and the past won't tell the truth. As long as I'm next to you, we'll stay forever young. If one day we're tired and slow, and the nights don't last so long, hold my hand, don't say a word. We'll remember where we're from. Let's stay forever young, not afraid of growing old. Every wrinkle tells a story, every line is made of gold. When the world is falling apart, we'll still sing the same old tune. As long as I'm here with you, we'll stay forever young. Yeah. Forever young. Me and you. What is love? Is it a feeling or the proof that we exist? The
antara sunyi dan ruang, aku mencari arti sayang dalam diriku yang retak. Kau hadir untuk melakukannya. Before you, I was just a name, a body walking through the frame. Now every breath I take feels like meaning in the same. Cinta tak hanya rasa, ia adalah kesadaran bahwa aku ada karena aku mencintaimu. Love is not possession, it's a quiet revolution inside the soul. I feel love, sayang, bukan sekadar cinta yang datang, but the truth behind my heart, where my universe begins. I feel love, sayang, seperti waktu yang tak terbilang. You're the question and the answer in this life. I wonder. Apakah kita dua tubuh atau satu jiwa terbelah? Apakah takdir memilih atau kita yang menyerah? If love is just chemistry, why does it rewrite history? Why does your touch undo the fear in me? Kita hanyalah dua manusia yang diberi kesempatan untuk merasa tak sendiri di tengah keramaian.
Love is the bridge between the finally
I feel love, sayang, lebih luas dari ruang. It's the silence when you're near, it's the absence when you're not here. I feel love, sayang, seperti cahaya dalam gelap. Not to own you, not to bind, but to see through your mind. If someday we disappear, will love remain somewhere? Maybe love is God's design to remind us we are more than time. Kita mungkin fana, tapi cinta adalah jejak yang tak binasa. I feel love, sayang, bukan hanya tentang senang. It's the courage just to stay when the world fades away. I feel love, sayang, adalah pilihan, bukan sekadar cinta. And if this life must end someday, love is what will remain. I feel love, therefore I am. Lights are flashing in my head, too many voices, things you said. Heart is racing, hands can't hold. Every thought is getting cold. I try to keep it all inside, fake a smile, act like I'm fine, but the pressure pulls me low. I'm on the edge, about to blow. I'm shaking, breathing way too fast, living moments like the last. I don't know where I should go. I feel it coming on. Lose control, spinning in the dark alone. Every feeling overflows. I can't stop it anymore. Lose control, my mind is screaming, heart explodes. I'm breaking out, I let it go. Tonight I lose control. Mirror shows the strangest